What?
Can I touch your armpit? Can I touch your armpit?
Does she have armpits?
Yeah.
Touch it.
I don't want to.
Where is it?
In her fucking armpit.
Where's that? Is it like under her feet? She's like, fuck you.
Oh, don't fall, asshole. I'm being really mean to this animal.
Yeah, you are.
Sorry. I'll pet you. Oh. Okay. She loves it. She loves it so much.
Look at her. She's so freaking happy. Yeah, you're happy, aren't you? Are you happy?
Are you happy?
Look at her. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yeah, she's happy as hell. Look at her. She's like, fluffy.
Fluffy.